hold my hand. Please hold my hand. Mother, hold my hand. Please hold my dying hand. Now my parents, they never taught me all about the ways of hell, but the ways that this dear life has taught me, no human tongue should tell. Mother, hold my hand. Please hold my aching hand. Mother, hold my hand. Won't you hold my dying hand? Please hold my aching hand. So I got that from, I've always been a big fan of Jean Ritchie, who's an Appalachian singer, and there's great recordings of her. There's the Alan Lomax recordings, and so I would have gone through them a lot years and years ago when I was kind of looking at songs, and I found this one, and I just, something about it really got me, particularly the chorus where it's crying out for the mother. And so I probably played around with it a little bit, so it's really my version of Jean's version, if that makes sense. And it's just a song that I love.